Here's my setup for the fridge. And this just cracks me up. Lincoln, you know that I did not allow any other child to ever sit on an iPad before school. Don't give me that side eye. What are you watching? Shaun the Sheep? Okay. Before I stick a bunch of good, yummy, fresh foods in my fridge, we're gonna wipe this bad boy down. Things look better and feel better when they're clean and presented well. You know what I mean? I feel like the fridge is one of those neglected areas that could always use a little cleaning. And I don't know if you guys do this, but when I'm prepping to make omelets for dinner tonight, and like when I go grocery shopping and I have all my ingredients, I kind of like to categorize them. Like I put all the omelet stuff right here, I put all the other dinner over here, because I forget ingredients all the time. If you haven't done your fridge for a while, here's your sign to clean your fridge. Okay, she cute, she clean, she ready.
Do you want a bite?
I don't.
I'm gonna put you on something here real quick.
Okay.
I'm getting close, and then back up when I show the whole thing.
Okay.
This is a miracle cloth, and when you open this bad boy up, it's huge. I don't know how you would ever use this as like a whole thing. So I know you don't know what I'm talking about yet, but you will. Okay, so I cut this bad boy in half, like so. And then I cut this in half, and I save the other halves for later for cleaning. Okay, I found these on Amazon, super cheap. I'm gonna put these back in the bag. Here's what you, are you ready?
Yep.
Here's what you do. You get it wet like so. You wring it out, and it feels kind of weird. It's like a really stiff, weird paper towel. But, let me show you. You take this rag while it's wet, and you just wipe it like normal. I like to always wipe with the grain of my stainless steel. And is it the exact same thing as using a washcloth and a towel? Yes, but I feel like this takes it up so much easier. I don't even know what's in this cloth. You don't have to dry it and it won't streak behind. You can leave this washcloth paper towel type thing in your drawer, and just whenever you want to wipe it up, you just wipe it up, and then it looks all shiny and new. Link, you okay? You falling over there? My gosh. And then I'm just gonna let it air dry, and then when it dries, I'll show you what it looks like. Would you look at that shiny penny? My mother-in-law came and I was like, here, have a bag. And I gave her a bag of these because she has the same fridge as me. Hello, how good is that? So I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to merrily wipe the outside of my stainless steel appliances, and they're not gonna be streaked. Oh, get around the door handles? Yeah, hello. Feels good to have a little pep in my step again, I'll tell you that much. Don't forget the top, don't forget the sides. People, don't forget the sides. Oh, here, who? Fingerprint who? Stickiness who? Oh yeah. What are you passionate about in life? I'm passionate about cleaning my stainless steel fridge. Okay, and I just got done doing the back of my, Oh, Lincoln, turn that down. Push pause for just a second. I just got done doing my oven. Wow, okay. Speaking from personal experience, do not forget the backsplash for like months on end. Because it's even more dirty than you would expect, okay? Okay, let's just all do this together. Because it's rank, it's dirty, it's greasy, it's dusty. Wow, okay, don't forget to do under your microwave. Oh, okay. Do under your microwave. Especially if it's above your oven. Ooh, she happy I didn't forget her. On to the next gadget. I've actually never tried this one, so we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna show you if this works. Our peanut butter is empty, and the peanut butter that we like to use is natural peanut butter. and oils naturally come to the top. I've heard that if you store your peanut butter upside down, it keeps it blended, but that's a lie. It does not work. So here's what we usually do. Joel uses a hand mixer, and he uses this attachment, and it's insane. Peanut butter usually makes a huge mess, and well, I mean, I guess that's similar, okay? Okay, I see where it's going here. It's difficult. I don't do it because it makes a huge mess, and it's really hard. Like, I can't hold this down. Did I underestimate how this is gonna work? Okay, well, we're trying this out. This is an experiment. All right, here's what you do. You stick this in. Okay, let's just see. Twist it in. Well, I can promise you this is going more smooth than the beater situation, because the beater is really, even on low, it just like jerks your jar around. This, you can go slow, and I don't know how or why, but it really does, like, it's not too difficult. I can go slow. Okay, hold on, give me a second. I'm figuring this out. I think this is gonna work. I think this is good. And the reason that I was even interested in doing this, even though it looks really similar to what Joel had, is because I can't do the hand mixer on my own. This hand's not strong enough to hold the jar. Usually it's like a nightmare watching Joel do it. I can do this with ease. I didn't think it was. Like, I was doubting myself when I first was like talking it out loud. I was like, okay, well, this is gonna be a fail. No, this is a win. This is like 10 out of 10. I'm so excited that this is working. Okay, I see you, peanut butter stirrer. I like getting this brand of peanut butter because there's no sugar in it. There's no added other things. It's literally, let me tell you, ingredients. Peanuts contains 1% or less of salt. That's incredible. And let me tell you, this stuff is good. And would you look at that? I have a freshly stirred jar of peanut butter with ease. But Bonnie, look how dirty this is. Oh, well, it comes with this little ditty. Stick it on the front, and you slide that bad boy down. Cleans off your spoon. Okay, 10 out of 10. You need this in your life. Whoop, whoop. Oh, well, that was smooth. Booyah! This morning I took the bananas that I froze out of the freezer, and I know they look brown and gross, but believe me, and because I'm like, oh, I don't want to use this in my banana bread. It just looks yucky, but it tastes just fine and works really well. And I'm using the recipe for the banana bread in our Griffiths cookbook, which we do have an e-version of it. There are 2 banana bread recipes in there, my mom's and mine, and not because I am biased. I swear to you, mine is so much better. Mom, I love you. I love your banana bread, but I just love mine more, okay? You each have to read me a joke out of this book because these are funny, actually.
What do whales like to chew for a snack?
What?
Bubble gum? Blubber gum. Blubber gum.
Okay, that's way funnier. Okay, go ahead, boss.
How do you... Cody. Huh? How do you measure a dog's temperature? By... pedigree? I don't know.
Yeah, that one's kind of lame. I get it, but that's kind of lame. Pick one that you can read good, Bossy. Thanks for helping him code. Look how cute they are sitting there together. Boston gets to choose. Let him choose it.
What does a bee order at McDonald's?
What?
A hamburger. Hamburger.
What?
Hamburger.
Okay, what does a bee order at McDonald's? A hamburger, because bees kind of buzz and hum.
What do you call a duck? Wait, what did the duck say when he bought some lipstick?
What?
Just put it on my bill.
Okay, that was a good one.
How do cats learn about the world?
How?
They watch the evening mews. Meows.
Meows.
Meows. Whoa, it's raining cats and dogs. How can you tell? I just stepped in a poodle. I got it.
I am quite sure what's going on here. I wanted to get on here earlier and give an update on like my day, but I was not having a good second half of my day. I have got something in my teeth and I have got to get it out before I finish talking. I went to get my nails done and I was feeling really good this morning, and then when I was at the nail salon, I was just kind of talking to my girl, updating her about my life situation. I just started getting that really bad, like, I don't want to call it anxiety because it doesn't feel like normal anxiety to me, but it was almost like my face was feeling paralyzed. Like I just didn't want to be talking about it anymore. My chest was tight, my throat was tight, my face was tight, and I felt like my face was starting to like paralyze, and it freaked me out a little bit. And so I came home and I thought, you know what? We're gonna take some deep breaths. I got all of my things done that I needed to. So it felt really good to have like my emails caught up, my brand work caught up. There was nothing I needed to post. There was nothing I wanted to post. And so I thought, I'm just gonna finish relaxing for the rest of the day. So I'm in here preparing dinner and someone knocks at the door, and it was a viewer and her dad. This situation makes me feel like garbage because I don't take pictures and I don't really engage with people when they come to my house because I feel like it's inappropriate. But I feel horrible because I think she had been a long time viewer. Did you see them come to the door?
Were they viewers?
Yeah.
Oh.
And so I just was like, she had her, I could see she wanted a picture. She had her camera in her hand. And so I just said, well, thank you for stopping by. And I left it at that. Like I feel bad because I don't want to make them feel bad, but it's also not really appropriate to come to my house. I've had this happen several times and it's just like, you guys, it's not okay. It's not okay to come to my house. I have a P.O. box. You can write me letters. You can comment on my Instagram, but it's not okay to come to my house. And if you see me in the streets, I would love for you to come and say hi. I love taking pictures with people. I love getting to know the people that have followed me because I'm more prepared in those outside elements. But when I'm in my home and I'm like struggling through my day, because I pick up my camera when I want to film. It was just a lot, and I hope they don't feel bad. I hope they understand why I wasn't welcoming them inside, or I hope they understand because I don't want their feelings hurt. I hope they understand.
Mom, one time when I was walking home from school, a kid walked by and they said, like, I watch your videos.
And what did you say?
I don't know what to say.
And that's okay. If people at school say, I watch your videos, you can say, awesome, thanks for watching. I feel awful closing the vlog this way. You guys, I want to see you. I want to engage with you out in public or at events. If we ever have events again, we will. But just please respect my privacy and don't come to my house. I really appreciate you guys and I love you guys. Healthy boundaries though. Healthy boundaries. Okay, goodbye.